This is Trevor, the investor here, and I just wanted to show you guys the best real estate CRM going into 2023. It is REI Black Book. Link is in the description if you guys want to find out a little bit more about it. But with my personal experience over the last 5 years, honestly, I've had, I don't know, probably 15 different CRMs. I mean, you're talking from Podio, full build outs, different type of build outs. There's Zoho, there's, on top of that, REI Sift. I mean, there's countless of them. I mean, Batchley's I've tried to use as a CRM. I've tried to use multiple smaller ones as well as bigger CRMs. Follow Up Boss, bigger CRM I've used, spent lots of money on that one. And all in all, I just keep coming back to REI Black Book. It's just one of those things where it's really great. So I just want to go through it real quick and talk to you about it. From here, inside the dashboard, you have a quick startup guide as well as KPI metrics that you need to track. I think as a CEO of a real estate company, you need to know your numbers in and out every single day, especially when you're doing multiple transactions. And if you're just starting, it's okay because we all have to start somewhere. But this is really the foundation blocks of how you start your real estate business. I can't tell you how many times I've tried to restart my real estate business when I first got started because I was so unorganized. I'm trying to write down on a notepad. I'm trying to do Google Sheets. I was trying to do Google Docs. I'm trying to write down everything I can. I'm just using Google Drive, use my CRM, which is great. It is really great when you're starting out and you have no money. But when you do have some money, your first deal or whatever, this is the perfect investment because this is the foundation. It keeps you organized, and this allows you to start doing workflows and start automating things. And you'll see what I'm talking about here in a second. First things first, when you got to set up your profile, you have to go in here and you have to set up some phone numbers, right? Because you want to have people be able to call you. You have your outside marketing, like your indirect or your direct marketing. Let's say it's PPC or direct mail or even texting, Facebook leads, stuff like that. You need to be able to have a flow of people being, able to reach you. So what I did is I have my buyers' phone numbers because I wholesale as well as, buy myself. But I have a buyer's phone number so where all my buyers can reach me that phone number. On top of that, if I go here to where we at here, so if I go to marketing, I go to inbox. I can go in here and I can know by text message, I can text message buyers, right? So if I see here, we're talking about property, the asking price, stuff like that. So you can also text with these people. And then what's great about it is you can have it to where you have your own inbox. You can filter your inbox to where it's only your buyer phone number, which is great, right? So you could do email broadcasts. You could track your text broadcast, ring this voicemail broadcast. You can send all that inside of the software, which is great. So when you have these phone numbers, it's good for you to be able to track these things, record phone calls like it does, keep everything organized in its own fashion. So the great thing about this is that you don't have to pay for additional software. And this is why I will resort back to trying out multiple CRMs. I've tried every CRM you could think of. And I will say, I always come back to this because it's organized. It's the guys are local in St. Louis, Missouri. And on top of it, when they code every single day. They try to make sure this is a solid CRM. So really nothing here is buggy, stuff like that. You're paying for what you get. And what's great about this is that they have free training. You get to be able to do your setup super easy. You can do campaign tracking. You can add files. You can add contact tabs. You can add email templates. And that gets me into the next part. Really, this is where the magic shines. When you level up in your real estate game, not only when you can track, you can listen to phone calls, you can be able to text people. You need to have stuff automated for follow-ups because I know the number one reason why people aren't getting more deals in real estate is because they do not follow up. I follow up on those really juicy deals, but they don't follow up with the ones that are maybes, right? And so the great thing about this is there's full-on 15-minute, 15-day, 15-month follow-up stages that you can do. All you have to do is go to a contact, add a tag, right? So let's say I want Lexi here to go ahead and add into a workflow. All I have to do is click trigger workflow. I can go in, I can put her in the 15-day follow-up. I can use the acquisition guy's number. I click trigger workflow. And what that does is it automatically in the background starts sending text messages, emails, ringless voicemails, and also call reminders and tasks into the CRM itself. So when you go into tasks, you'll know that it automatically filters here. And then you get a task that tells you, hey, call it. So inside the workflow, let's say just for fun here, we go into the 15-day follow-up. This is a workflow that happens in the background, but all you did was tag. I mean, it's amazing. You tag people that way. They get completely organized. There's a delay for you. It text back, hey, this is blank. This company here, you contacted us a while back selling a property. We've been trying to get a hold of you. Are you still interested in selling? You make an offer in 24 to 48 hours. Just give it a call or shoot us a text message, which is great, by the way. I love texting. And then there's delay. Send a voicemail recording. And then there's a delay. And following up again. And this is delayed, what? A minute, 1 minute after the ring is voicemail, and then it delays in 1 month, and then it sends an email with an email template, and this is all pre-built out. I didn't build any of this stuff out. This is all rewritten for me through the REI Blackbook software, which is amazing. Other thing too is inside the property pipeline, you can go here and you'll see kind of the status of stuff here. So like on properties in Overland or properties in St. Louis, you could filter by city name, you could filter by address, filter by state if you're doing in multiple states, and then you can also do you can filter by status. You can do deal type, you can do wholesale. So you have 6 wholesale deals here. It looks like. Then you have status. You can do new. So you can do new wholesale. So you can just leave this empty, and then you have all the new leads that you need to be hitting up and follow up. And what's great about this is on the right side you can just do marketing from here. On top of that, I mean, if you click into this, right? So you have contacts, and all you do is, oh, I have this contact for this lead. You in contacts. What do I want to do with this person? So she's got some tags, LA lead, make offer, seller. So we need to make an offer on this person. And then on top of it, on the seller lead, there's a full timeline and flow history. So you know what's going on. You know the notes. You know the activity that's been going on with this person. And if you have multiple people, this is so nice because you can keep your team accountable and you know what's going on. You know if your VA or whoever it says, oh, I called him. Did you? Because it doesn't say it on activity timeline. And on top of it, all of it's really organized. You have, all the notes that the person has put in, that it's not in the FEMA flood zone, it's 3-bedroom, 2-bath. You have everything in here, and you can also trigger the workflow, right? So if no one's touching this lead, you could trigger that workflow and be like, in the background, hey, I want to do this on a 15-day follow-up. We didn't reach an answer, right? You could use your own phone number. Boom, just like that. So multiple ways to do this business. Great thing, too, is you can do websites. Here, I don't use REI Blackbook for websites, but great feature. They have SEO-driven websites that you can do market, city, and nickname. You can manage the pages, tracking codes. You can do all that. It's a full-on website builder for you. So that way, anybody fills out the lead, it goes directly right into your deal and property pipeline. There's property analyzers, there's property search, there's property finders. And what's great about this CRM that I have never seen in any other CRM ever is the ability to have other CRMs from other people that are subscribers to this company have their data merged together, right? So, for instance, if you go to property search, I can search stuff in, let's say, Missouri, okay? Because that's where I'm at. I just click search. Here's deals in Missouri that other REI Blackbook members have actively on the market right now. This is a duplex on Pennsylvania Avenue for $52,500. And right now, I know for a fact this is a great property, right? So the ARV is 190. They're asking 52.5, and it needs some work, right? But this is something that I didn't have to do any work for. I got the lead because another REI Blackbook person has the software and dispoed a deal. Here we have the accelerator, which you go to an academy, and on top of it, with everything in REI Blackbook, there is training for free. This is included in your membership, which is one of the most amazing things I can think of as far as a CRM is concerned. A lot of CRMs don't have this. This is huge. One of my favorites by far is the 15x3 playbook. This helps you inside your CRM do your quick account setup, install the 15x3 workflows, which mine are installed, import your list of people that you already need, add cold leads to follow up with, and then manage your responses, and then also do, you listen to a case study, how that works. The great thing about this 15-3 workflow is that, 15-day or 15-minute, 15-day, 15-month is that it keeps your leads in prospecting mode, and it does it in the background for you. Now, you still will have to call people, but this starts you up. There's Evergreen Traffic Machine. There's the short sales and pre-foreclosures, a Rocket Dispo system, business growth and virtual workshop, link options, property finders. I also like the Track Machine. Obviously, what you do as far as marketing is concerned, direct mail, how to get it all set up in REI Blackbook. I mean, no other CRM is giving this kind of stuff, guys. So I just want to thank you and let you know that REI Black Book is great. I use them personally for my business. And if you want to check them out, like I said, the link's down below and let me know if you guys need any more help. Thanks.